Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, thank you for all your comments and all your views and everything yesterday on the video that I put up about why everybody's moving to Italy. A lot of people agree, and I'm glad to see that it sort of resonates with you, and that we're all kind of clear as to why we're so drawn to Italy and everything over there. Another reason that I thought of, being back in the United States, every year we come back for a few months and be with our kids and do all the things that we need to do, revamp the business, and then take over and get started again, which is always fun and exciting. But one thing I do notice is that, I don't feel as good here as I do in Italy physically. And it has to do with, digestion and that kind of thing. When I come back here after a few weeks, I start having a little bit of reflux, which I treat with apple cider vinegar. It works great. And that works fine. But the bottom line is, the food in Italy, it just seems to agree with me so much more. You go over, your olive oil comes right off the tree. Your cheese is sheep's, that live down below. And everything is fresh, everything's pretty local. It's not been really messed with. And the Italian government and the Italian people, food is actually sacred. They don't let a lot of things come in and really start messing with the food supply. So as a result, you get good, fresh, solid, nourishing food that actually keeps you going and keeps you healthy for a long time. Whereas when I'm here, I don't eat a lot of processed food. I do have the odd hamburger because, my goodness, I can't go without In-N-Out or a McDonald's cheeseburger every so often. But I notice a big difference just in everyday eating, and I have to be so careful about what I eat here in the U.S. I can't go have this type of food. I can't eat fast food except for, In-N-Out seems to be pretty good, for me anyway. There are certain types of cuisine I can't eat here. MSG is not going to work with me and that kind of thing. But in Italy, I don't have to be careful. I know I'll go to a restaurant. I know I'll get good quality, decent food. I know it'll be prepared with love and well cared for and that kind of thing. And I always just feel healthier there. There's no acid reflux. In fact, I used to have a gluten allergy, believe it or not. But now I go over to Italy, I eat the bread, I eat the pasta. It's not a problem. Obviously I don't live on it and eat huge amounts, which is going to cause you problems no matter whether you have an allergy or not. But, just in general, eating over there, I don't have to be careful hardly at all, really. There's a few things I don't eat. Got to be very light on the sugar because anywhere that's a problem for me. But everything else, I can pretty much eat what I want, which is a really, really big deal. And then I also feel healthier. I have more energy. I sleep better, the whole 9 yards. So I really do think that the food products over there are another huge reason to move or even spend a lot of time in Italy, because I think it's going to reflect positively on your physical health and well-being. So there you go, guys. Another great reason to move to Italy.